Okay, now we've kind of talked about the squat without a bar. You've got a good basic idea of what to do. We'll talk about doing it with the bar. The first thing is your grip. Obviously, you want it to be even. So you're going to probably end up starting. You're pretty tall, long arms, so you're going to end up starting with your hands farther out here. And because you're pretty active, you've probably got pretty good shoulder flexibility. So as you start your warm-up sets, getting into your working sets, your hands will come in, okay, as you go. Important is that we keep your thumbs on top of the bar if you wrap it, and then it gets to be a heavy weight. If your elbows float forward, you're going to translate some weight from the bar down your forearm, and it's going to end up giving you tendonitis. Okay, so always thumbs on top of the bar. Okay, now the bar placement on your back. I'm going to turn around. So this is about where you're going to put the bar for CrossFit, right? Right. So what we're looking for here is what's called the spine of the scapula. So scapula is a free-floating, basically plate in your shoulder. Okay, and on top of it, there's a little spine that comes out. Yeah. Anyway, so you're gonna put the bar right underneath that. Now you find that as a lifter, like it's right there. I can feel it on you. However, the way you find that is if you scrunch up your back, okay, and the way you do that, if you raise your elbows, now you put a nice shelf right there for you to put the bar on. The bar will just fit right across, and you'll just fill a pocket right there.
Nice niche.
Yep. So go ahead and come on over to the bar. Lower. Good. See how that kind of just fits into a pocket right there?
Yep.
It's good bar placement. Okay. So before you come out of the rack, think elbows up a little bit. So it's going to squeeze everything together. Chest up, and your abs tight. Okay. So we want to start tight throughout the entire lift. We want to start tight and end tight. Don't try to start tight, lose all of your tightness, and then try to regain it as you take your first breath and go to the bottom of your first squat. You will not regain it, what you've lost. Okay. So go ahead and take it out of the rack. Just a little bit higher. And if you can't get them straight, you want straight wrists. There you go. There you go. Widen it out just a little bit. Good. So, good normal stance. Elbows up, chest up, nice tight back. Ankles look good, toes are out. Big breath in, and come to the bottom of the squat. Okay, so your back angle's far too high. Point your tits to the ground, nipples to the ground. Good. Butt down, good. Right up there, chin down. There you go. That's the feeling of a squat. Okay, come on back up and go right back down to where you had it. Good. Nipples down a little bit more. There you go. Don't be afraid to come on up and rack it. Good. Yeah. Well, I don't have to explain it, but I'll at least mention it. So when you rack the bar, don't try to catch it on the hooks.
Yeah.
You'll break it. You'll miss it at some point. So when you rack it, all the way in, and then drop it. Sweet. Okay. You did it, but we'll at least mention it.
Good enough.
Yeah, those are pretty solid squats. Now, don't be afraid to move to make more horizontal back angle. Okay. All you're doing there is engaging more of your posterior chain. So if you keep your chest up and you come down to the bottom of the squat, in order to keep the bar over the midfoot, right? The bar's going to be over your midfoot in order for you to be in balance all the way down. As you come down, if your back is too vertical, you're going to end up shifting your knees forward. That basically shortens your hamstrings or puts slack in your hamstrings. Therefore, you don't use as much posterior chain for your hip drive. You're using more of your quads for knee extension instead of your glutes, your hamstrings, and your abductors for hip extension.
Bigger muscles.
Right. Back to more muscle mass moving more weight over greater range of motion. Right? Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and just throw some weight on here, and we will find out what your first set of fives is going to be. Go ahead and go throw Actually, let's do set of 5 with just the bar. That's all right.
Can I pull the bench out over here
Yeah.
sometimes? Hey, I'm Slam, by the way.
Hey, Zach, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Slam bud.
Sorry, I'll get that. You guys,
You're good.
where's it? Sorry.
Straight. There you go. You want your wrist straight on top of the bar. Tight, big breath in. Horizontal back. More so. Nipples down. There you go. No, that's too much. Go down to pause. Good. There you go. One more. Good. All right. It's okay for you if you search for it just a little bit.
Yeah.
It's totally unnatural for you at this point.
Yeah, that'll be one thing. That's enough to untrained. So the high bar or high back bar placement.
It's up to 95.
High back bar placement. That's going to create some more vertical back angles. Off the back for sure.
What will happen is probably on your second or third workout, all of a sudden you'll just find a slot.
Yep.
And it'll just kind of happen. Be like, oh, that feels good. And then you'll know where it's at. Good. Elbows up. Tight. There you go. Good. Big breath in. Don't let that air out till you get all the way to the top. Push those knees out the bottom. Start to come in. Knees out. There you go. Good. Let's see. Should be 10. What we're trying to do now is find your starting weight. And we'll do start your lifting progression at. Horizontal back angle. Don't let it get too vertical. There you go. Better. Chin down. Good. That was a better squat. Let's see. Take the 10 off. Let's go 15. Take a little bit longer of a rest on this one. Good. I want you to artificially slow down because you're burning through the sets real quick. Let's turn this off for. So push him in 40 minutes.